Good morning, dear students. My name is Mohit, and I'm your mathematics teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi.
Is prime numbers. If a number can be expressed if a number can be expressed as a product of two whole numbers, then the two whole numbers are called the factors of that number. In other words, a factor is a number is an exact divisor of the number. What it means? It means that if we divide if we split a number as a product of two whole numbers, for example like 48, I can write it like 1 into 48 or 2 into 24, 3 into 36, 4 into 12 or 6 into 8, like this. It means the number 48 can be divided by these numbers and 48 will be their multiple. So these are the factors. You can consider the number 37 also, because you know that 37 can be written as only 1 into 37 because it does not comes in any other numbers table. That is why we call it a prime number which has only two factors, because that here 37 has only two factors, that is 1 and 37. So a number which has only two factors will be a prime number. You will see over here like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 1. They comes in the table of itself and 1. So these types of numbers have only two factors, which is called that is why they are called prime numbers. Now what are composite numbers? The numbers which are having more than two factors. For example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and 15, and there are some of the numbers are composite numbers. Now note that 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? Because 1 has only one factor, that is the number itself 1. Now let's come to the next topic, that is prime factorization. Now what is prime factorization? Now you can see here like 42, if we are asked to divide this number into prime numbers, so what we can do, we can write the number like this, 2 into 3 into 7, because 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So like this we can write the number into their factors form, prime factors form. Similarly we can write the 45 also. But dear students, what if we have to do this question in another way? Like you can see over here they are saying write the prime factors of 24. So what we have to do in this, we need to divide the we need to start dividing the number with the prime number, lowest prime number. Like 24 can be divided by 2, so we can divide by 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Similarly in this also 140 we can write it 2 70s are, 2 35s are, 5 7s are and 7 1s are. So you will see over here the number we are getting over here are the prime factors of the numbers. Like 24, the prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The prime factors of 140 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So we can write it like this. Now let us see what is the factor tree method of prime factorization. You will see over here how to do prime factorization of 96 using factor tree method. So here you need to what you need to do first you need to write the number as the product of two numbers. Like 96 we can write it the product of two numbers like 8 into 12, because 12 8s are 96. Now you know that 8 and 12 are not prime number, they are composite number. So what we will do, we will again split the number, and remember that we need to do this until and unless we get a prime number. For example 8 can be written as 4 into 2, 12 can be written as 4 into 3. You know that 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so we can encircle the prime numbers. But 4 is not a prime number, it is composite number. So again we will further split in the part as a prime number, like 2 into 2, 2 into 2. So now we get all the prime numbers. So now we will encircle it and write in the form of here product, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how many 2? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 is repeating 5 times, so this is 5 2 and this is 1 3. So this is the process of prime factorization. Now let's come to the new topic, that is highest common factor. What is highest common factor? Dear students, the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor, GCD, of two or more numbers is the highest or greatest number that can be divided each of the given numbers. In other words, the HCF of two or more numbers is the highest of all the common factors of the given numbers. For example, if I say find the HCF of 16 and 36, dear student, let me tell you one thing, that this method, which I have already told you in the live lecture today, this method is called the listing factor. Means we need to find out the HCF by listing the factors. It means we need to write the factors, all the factors. Like 36 comes in the table of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So these are the factors of 16. And in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 36 will come. That is why these are the factors. Now these are the common numbers, common factors like 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, which comes in 16, in the factor of 16 and 36 both. But you notice that 4 is the greatest number in the common factors. Among the common factors, 4 is the greatest number. So you need to write that 4 is the highest common factor in both the factorization. Now we can understand the method by the HCF of 8 and 40. 8 comes in the table of 1, 2, 4 and 8, and 40 comes in the table of 1, 2, 4, 5, 8 and 20, 10, 20 and 40, like this. But you notice that 8 is the highest number which is common in the factors form. So you need to write that 8 is the highest number. Observe that 8 is the highest common factor of 8 and 40. Hence the HCF of 8 and 40 is 8. So I hope that you understand it. Now dear students, we will study that how to find out the HCF using prime factorization method. This is very easy. The method which I have told you just now, the same way you have to do it here, like 75 and 120. Use the prime factorization method to find the HCF. For example, 75 and 120. So dividing it by the prime number, like 3 25s are 75, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So what are the prime factors of 75? You can write it 3 into 5 into 5. And what are the prime factors of 120? You will get it like 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5. So we will write it over here. Now here we are using prime factorization method. So what we need to do? We need to write all the common factors, not just one. Like 3 and 5 are common over here. So we will write 3 one time and 5 one time. This 5 one time. So we will get the HCF, that is 15. So this is the process of prime factorization method. This is the process of finding out HCF by prime factorization method. So dear students, that I hope that you like the video. So all the best.